Hey gang, what's up? Welcome back. So, I just got done filming a collective haul. So, now I'm back with another kind of like after the haul, putting stickers away video. I assume the haul video will go up first. So, if you would like to see all of this in a little more depth, you can check out that video. And yeah, so I'm gonna hop in here. Nobody look at this. LOL. This is my summer album. And at the end of last year, I truly thought that I did so well using all of my summer kits. And then I was just organizing my stickers the other day. And as it turns out, your girl did not use all of her summer kits. So just don't look at any of this. Turn your eyes away. Thank you. No, but okay, we've got the SPC. What month are we in? March mystery, which is mermaid themes. So we are going to slot her in there. And then we've got the bubbles underlays that came with it. So we are going to pop those in with the underlays. And then I think that's the only summery thing from that haul. So we will put her away. Then I've got a couple foil bundles that came with the mysteries. So we've got, I believe this is lavender hollow and confetti. And then I don't know why I never know the names of the patterns. Okay, shimmer. This one's like one of my favorites too, so I don't know why I can't remember that. But we've got shimmer in matte silver. So I'm gonna find some cellos real quick. I just redid all of my foil bundle storage, so it's gonna take me a minute here. Okay, yeah, it looks like I just did all my mattes at the back, so we'll pop the matte silver back there, and then I will grab my colorful bundle storage because I had too many bundles, so I had to get a second one. LOL, send help. Okay, and then Lav Hollow we will put in the purple and pink slot. So foil bundles done, quick and easy. All right, so this kit I need for a lineup. And then these two are gonna go in the regular kit storage, and then this one is for a lineup as well. And then all of this foil is for lineups as well. So I'm gonna grab my lineup binders. I don't know why I'm just fully short circuiting in this video. All right, so I've got two lineup binders going now. We'll get into that in the lineup video because it's a whole thing. So, do I need to slot anything in for February? Yes, okay. All right, so we're gonna pop I Love You So Matcha in here. All right, so foil for that is all set. And I think that's all I need to do in this binder. And, okay. Yeah, okay, cool. So we can move on to the black one. So, okay. These underlays go in here. And then we'll slot our Mardi Gras kit in there. And then I really don't know how I got so disorganized with my haul in the 30 seconds between when I stopped filming the haul and when I started filming this video. Okay, so, all right, fireworks. We got all 3 of those, and then the magenta hollow. And I'm going to put the unfoiled ones up front to remind me that I need to foil those before my lineup video. Oh, this foil goes with this kit, so I'm gonna pop that there so I don't forget. And then, okay, this foil goes with this kit. And where's my phone? I need to consult my lineup to see where she's being slotted in. Okay, we've got her down for the week of May 5th. So we'll pop the kit in the bottom slot. That's definitely not the kit, the foil in the bottom slot. And then the kit up top. All right, so we've got the art museum kit in foil. I'm using a dark green foil bundle with it, so that might be kind of a wild combo, but you know, it's not a domey spread if it's not at least a little questionable. So, all right, she is all slotted in and good to go. And then we've got the pickleball foil for my St. Patrick's Day spread. All right, so we'll pop those in there. And then we've got the grid, the inverted grid in black, which will go with the grocery store kit, which I thought was in April, but maybe May? Question mark. Okay, yes. So we've got that down for May. I forgot about my birch underlays, and we've got to pull this binder back out and flip to February. Like, isn't that so pretty together? Okay, that's that. And then we've got the 2 kind of more anytime kits that I've got to put away. So I need to find cellos for those, and then we will be all set. We've got the kit storage. So, all right, we're gonna pop the thrifting in with the SPC, and the homecoming kit I'm going to pop back here with my kind of like pop culture kits, because these are all by shop and packed to the brim already. So I feel like that slots well back there. All right, so that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you in the next one. Later days.